Good morning children, how are you all? Are you fine? Okay, take care of your health, take complete diet. Okay children? Okay, in the previous class we learnt about the introduction part regarding to the 4-digit numbers, yes? So what we learnt in the previous classes children about digits, numbers, expanded notation, short form of the number, number name, and how to compare the numbers using greater than, less than, and equal to, and how we can order the numbers. Ordering of numbers means ascending order and descending order. About that we learned in the previous session. So today I am going to start you the exercises children. Firstly, exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Okay children. Exercise 1.1. Okay, look at that. They given boxes with 100, 10 by 10 boxes. Okay, each one having 100. Each one having 100. Like that, one more box also given. It also having 100. And spokes was given. 6 spokes was given. Each spoke having 10 blocks. Each spoke having 10 blocks. 10, 6 tens, 60. And 7 ones was given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally how much they are asking? 260 plus 7. 267. Next one. Secondly, 5 spokes was given, each spoke having 10, 5 tens 50, 5 tens 50, and 4 individual boxes was given, 4 ones 4, 50 plus 4, 54, 50 plus 4, 54. Third one, 400 boxes was given, 400 boxes was given children. And 403 10 spokes was given. 3 10 spokes was given. 3 tens 30. 3 tens 30. Here 400s, 3 tens. Totally 400 plus 30, 430. Okay ma, I'll send you that page also. Okay, I'll write the CW regarding to that and I'll send you. Okay, don't think we can't write, we can't not under, we can't write it and we can't see it proper like that. Don't think. I'll send you the CWs regarding to that. Okay, children, through WhatsApp we will send you. Next, B Roman. Filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. And write the number names. And write the number names. How we will fill that and how we write the number names? 501 equal to how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones are there? And write the number name of this number. Okay. Secondly, 946. Third one, 333. Fourth one, 240. Listen children. In 501, how many hundreds are there? First, write the place values on the numbers children. Ones, tens, hundreds. Write the place values. How many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds. How many tens are there? 0 tens. How many ones are there? Write the number name of this question. 501. 501. Okay. Next one. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones are there? And write the number name of this question. See this number. What is this? 946. Write the place values on the numbers children. Ones, tens, hundreds. are writing like that. How many hundreds are there? 9 hundreds. How many tens are there? 4 tens. How many ones are there? 6 ones. Totally add, write the number name. 900 and 46. 946. This is the number name. Next one. How many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there? And write the number name of this one. See this number, write place values of the number children. Ones, tens, hundreds. 3 hundreds, 3 tens, 3 ones. Write the number name. 333. 333. Like that we have to write the number name. See the fourth question then, how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there? And write the number name. How many tens are there? 2 hundreds, 4 tens, 0 ones. Write the number name. 240. 240. Okay. Children, listen carefully. When the class is going on, listen carefully. Okay, children. Next, third one. Third Roman. They given number names and they are asking us to write the number. Fill in the blanks. And write the numbers. And write the numbers. See the first one. 409. First question. 409. In this question, how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones are there? And what is that number? This is the question, children. Listen carefully. Okay? See the question. What is the question they given for us? 409. What is the question they given for us? 409. 409. How many hundreds are there in the question? 4 hundreds are there. How many hundreds are there? 4 hundreds. And no tens was given. So only 9 was given. So 0 tens and 9 ones. So totally you can write it as 409. Second question. 350. 350. In this also, how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there? And what is that number? This is the question, children. Listen it. 350. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there. 50 means 5 tens. 50, 5 tens, na? 5 tens and no ones was given, so keep 0. So that number is 350. That number is 350. Third one. 949. 949. 949. So children, how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones are there and what is that number? Okay. 949. How many hundreds are there? 9 hundreds. 40. 40 meant for 4 tens. 9. 9 ones, 9. So this number is 949. So this number is 949. Fourth one. 554. 554. 554. How many hundreds? How many tens? How many ones are there? see the question once again, children. 500. 500 means how many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds. 50. 50 stands for 5 tens. 5 tens. 4. 4 means 4 ones 4. So 554. This is the number. Like that you get right. Okay, children. Next one. Write in the short form. Write in the short form. B. Write in the short form. They given questions for us. 500 plus 60 plus 7. Second one, 800 plus 90 plus 0. Third one, 900 plus 90 plus 9. Fourth one, 600s, 6 tens, 3 ones. Next one, 600s, 6 ones. Sixth one, 900s, 110, 0 ones. Okay, children, they ask us to write them in the short form. Writing short form. Already I told you in the previous class, expanded notation to short form and short form to expanded notation. See that 500 plus 60 plus 7. So how many place values you have to write them up to 100 place? What are those? Ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds. How many tens? 6 tens. How many ones? 7 ones. Okay, children, next. How many hundreds was given? 8 hundreds. Write the place values as in 8 hundreds, 9 tens, 90. No ones was given, so 0. Next, 900. Ones, tens and 100. How many hundreds are there? 9 hundreds. 9 tens, 90 and 9 ones, 9. Next one also up to hundreds only. Here also given 6 hundreds, 6 tens, 3 ones. Next one up to hundreds only, 6 hundreds. Not yet given 6 tens, children. So leave that gap as with 0. 6 tens, no tens was given, 0. 6 ones, 6. Next, ones, tens, hundreds. Next, 900s, 110, 0 ones. So 910. Like that, you can write the expanded notation one into short form notation. Expanded one into short form notation. Okay, children. Next one, write the expanded notation. Write in the expanded notation. Writing expanded notation. Writing expanded form or notation. They given for us first one, 638. How many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones are there? This is the question. 638. 6 hundreds, 3 tens, 30 and 8. Second one, 840, 745, 805. Look at this one, children. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. See here how many hundreds, how many tens and how many ones. How many hundreds are there? 8 hundreds. How many tens? 4 tens, 40. 0 ones, 0. Next one. How many hundreds? 7 hundreds. 4 tens, 40. 5 ones, 5. Next one. 8 hundreds. Not yet given tens place, 0 and 5 ones, 5. Okay, children. expanded notation today we discussed. In the next class I discussed you the remaining topics. Okay, later we will meet again in the next class. Up to then, till then, goodbye children, take care of your health. Goodbye mom.